In this multiple choice question from the given option, they are insisting us to specify the correct option not responsible for the formation of large quantity of dilute urine. For this, need to avoid the wrong option to specify the correct option. Why we are ignoring option A, C and D? Because caffeine, atrial natriuretic factor and ethanol are responsible for bringing the maximum concentration of the diluted urine. That is the reason why we are ignoring option A, C and D. Why we are choosing rain? Why? Because rain is no way connected with the production of diluted urine. That is the reason why the option B, renin, is the correct choice. So we are choosing option B as the correct answer to secure 4 mark after ignoring option A, C and D. What are the points we told with this particular option? We are giving as a point-wise narration to take the NEET notes for future reference. Due to diuretic property, caffeine causes nephron to absorb less water, which results in the production of more diluted urine. Therefore, the urine that is concentrated rather than producing vast amount of diluted urine is produced by renin. Hence, the correct answer is renin. With this specification, we are choosing option B as the correct answer to secure 4 mark after ignoring option A, C and D.